Why does UX design hold such a pivotal role in website and mobile application development? This question might have crossed your mind, especially if you're venturing into the world of digital product design. Today we're going to dissect this topic, breaking down the process of UI/UX design and why it's so crucial to the success of any digital product. UI/UX design, short for user interface and user experience design, is the art of making a digital product's interface not only visually appealing, but also easy to use. It's about understanding the user's needs and creating a design that is intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable. Now imagine building a house. Would you start without a blueprint? Of course not. The same principle applies to UI/UX design. It begins with research. Understanding the user's needs, preferences, and habits is the foundation of any successful design. This research can include surveys, interviews, or even observing users interacting with similar products. Moving on to the second step, once you've gathered enough data, it's time to create user personas. These are fictional characters that represent your target users. They help in visualizing how different users might interact with your product and what their needs and expectations might be. Next comes the exciting part, sketching and wireframing. This is where you start to visualize the layout of your application or website. Sketching is a low-fidelity way to map out your ideas, while wireframing is a more detailed outline of the product's structure and functionality. Once the wireframes are ready, it's time to make them come to life with prototypes. Prototypes are interactive mock-ups of the final product. They give a realistic feel of how the final product will function and look, allowing for testing and feedback before the final development begins. The final step is testing and iteration. This is where you test your design with real users, gather feedback, and refine it. This process continues until the design is as perfect as it can be, ensuring a seamless user experience. To recap, the process of UI/UX design is a meticulous one, starting with research and ending with testing and iteration. It plays a crucial role in the success of any digital product, ensuring it is not only beautiful, but also user-friendly. It's about making the user's interaction with your product as simple and enjoyable as possible, and that, in essence, is the magic of good UI/UX design. Remember, a great UI/UX design is not just about a pretty interface. It's about understanding the user, their needs, and their journey. It's about creating a product that's not just easy to use, but also enjoyable. It's about taking the complexity of technology and making it accessible and intuitive. It's about creating a digital product that people love to use. That's the power of UI/UX design.